so it's been quite a while. Bagrinka Jai. So we're going to Tennessee. Тут є шофер наш, Віталік, і Діна, і Руслан тут, і Карінка, який принц спить. We made it to our first stop, Krispy Creme donuts. Guys, ready to see the process? It's so good. Guys, we just had like 24 donuts of the Krispy Kreme donuts. So good. Just finally starting to reach the like, oh, I feel something in my stomach.
Yeah.
After like 6 donuts.
They're amazing, guys.
They're just amazing. And the coffee's here good too.
This is completely different than what they have in the store.
Guys, so this is our second stop and we're at a gas station. And I got to get my...
She wants to get these, right?
No. It's either those. No, not those, not these. No. It's either these. Should I get those? Should I get some of these?
These are so unhealthy, guys.
Ambitiousness and causes of success. May you have the confidence to always do your best. May you take no effort in your being generous. Sharing what you can, nothing more, nothing less. May you know the meaning of the word happiness. May you always lead from the beating in your chest. May you be treated like an esteemed guest. May you get to rest. May you catch your...
You guys, we made it to Cincinnati. I love this city, so beautiful.
Beautiful, wonderful, wonderful words of life.
Beautiful. It reminds me of New York City. Not quite. It's just so pretty. That was Lanchik? Like your face. The view though. Wow. I love this. Ooh la la, so gorgeous, як красиво. Я так люблю цей город. Especially вночі їхати. Карінка, страшно? О! Нема?
May the best of your todays be the worst of your tomorrows. Whoa. May the road less paved be the road that you follow. Whoa. Well, here's to the hearts that you gonna break. Here's to the lives that you gonna change. Here's to the infinite possible ways to love you. I want you to have it. Here's to the good times we gonna have. You don't need money, you got a free pass. Here's to the fact that I'll be sad without you. I want you to have it all. 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 May you be as fascinating as a slap bracelet. May you keep the chaos and the clutter off your desk. May you have unquestionable health and less stress. Having no possessions though immeasurable wealth. May you get a gold.
I'm just
Okay,
thirsty.
can I get 2 grande mango dragon fruit strawberry?
Do you want me to order for you?
Can I get? I'm sorry. I'm
No,
sorry.
you're fine.
But did
I
you get
I
what
get
I
it.
said? Yeah. Okay. Can I get 2 of those, and then can I get 1 venti?
Yeah, sure. Anything else?
Yeah, and also can I do a white chocolate mocha? But can you make it not so hot?
Sure. So white chocolate. What size is that one?
Just a tall.
A tall?
Yeah,
All right. What else can I get for you guys?
that's it. Thank
You need
you.
these drinks in a carrier?
No, that's fine.
All right.
That was embarrassing. Starburst. Clearly I want candy.
Hey my dude, so this is the second day. And what do you have to say, Tanya?
She just looks.
Second day.
We're alive!
Second day.
Car
I'm
didn't break
surprised that
down
we're
yet.
alive for some reason.
I'm patient to have the second day.
Apparently they made her check engine go off.
Wow. You're gonna bring up the past like that?
That's Tanya's phrase, not
yeah,
yours.
my
You can't
bad.
steal it from her. We got it figured out. We're going to a
You know the Mag
coffee
is playing
place.
this morning?
Huh?
The Mag is playing this morning?
Yeah, let's go watch the... We can totally go watch the Meg. We have to like 1. We could just leave halfway through. Yesterday, the movie took forever. It was like 3 hours long.
Yeah.
No
It was
joke.
interesting.
It was a good movie though, but too long.
Tanya loved it the most. Tanya like, shaking.
I mean, the dreams I had today, I felt like I
Hanging off the side of a
conquered the
cliff.
world.
I know, I'm like, Tanya, get up. And she's like, no, not yet. She thought she was in
not
like the
time.
helicopter and like about to like press the button.
No, I felt like more of that guy when he was falling off the airplane and the lightning hit him. That was me.
Oh, when he like blacked out. That was me too. She brought us to this coffee place, and it just reminds me of like the coffee shop in Friends. It is just so vintagey, like very vintagey. Like look at this. There's like different mugs. Look how cute they are. Different coffees. Huh? That's like. I'll just take this to go.
Look at this coffee price. Look at that.
That's so cool. Look how good these things
Look
are.
how good
Vanilla
these
almond.
things are. Like, you don't
They
even-
sound so good.
Hey, let's just take a whole thing with us.
Yeah, can we just take samples with us? Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. Stay tuned for more. We're heading on our way to Tennessee right now. And yeah, I'm so tired. I'm just gonna finish the vlog and then I'm gonna take a nap at the show.
Like it.
Like it.
We gonna have, you don't